Welcome to our comprehensive guide on DIY Cove molding installation. Cove molding, also known as crown molding, is a versatile architectural feature that adds elegance and character to any room. In this post, we'll walk you through the process of installing cove molding in your home, from selecting the right materials to putting the finishing touches on your project. Materials and tools needed before you begin. Gather the following materials and tools. Cove molding strips, typically made of wood or composite material. Adhesive or nails for securing the molding to the wall. Caulk for filling gaps and seam. Sandpaper for smoothing rough edges. Measuring tape, miter saw or coping saw. Level, hammer or nail gun. Caulking gun. Pre-installation preparation. Start by measuring the room and determining the amount of molding needed. Select the appropriate type and size of cove molding, based on your room's dimensions and decor style. Prepare the walls by cleaning the surface, filling any gaps or imperfections, and sanding rough areas for a smooth application. Cutting and mitering. Cove molding. Proper cutting and mitering are crucial for achieving seamless corners in cove molding installation. Follow these steps. 1. Measure and mark the molding for cutting, ensuring precise measurements for inside and outside corners. 2. Use a miter saw or coping saw to make angled cuts according to your corner measurements. 3. Test fit each piece to ensure accurate alignment and adjust as needed. Installing cove molding. Now it's time to install the cove molding. 1. Begin in a corner of the room and work your way around the perimeter. 2. Apply adhesive, or use a nail gun to secure the molding to the wall, ensuring proper placement and alignment. 3. Secure corners and join molding pieces seamlessly for a professional finish. 4. Use a level to check for straightness and make adjustments as necessary. Finishing touches. Once the molding is installed, it's time for the finishing touches. 1. Fill nail holes and any gaps between the molding and wall with caulk. 2. Use a damp cloth to smooth the caulk for a clean finish. 3. Inspect the installation for any imperfections and make any necessary touch-ups. Additional tips and troubleshooting. Here are some additional tips and troubleshooting advice. For tricky corners or uneven walls, use a coping saw to create custom-fitted joints. Consider painting or staining the cove molding to match your room's decor. If you encounter gaps or uneven seams, use extra caulk to fill and smooth them out. FAQs, frequently asked questions. How do you attach cove molding? To attach cove molding, you can use either adhesive or nails. Apply a small amount of construction adhesive along the back of the molding, then press it firmly against the wall. Alternatively, you can use a nail gun to secure the molding in place, making sure to drive the nails into the wall studs for added stability. Which side of cove molding goes up? The concave side of cove molding should face upwards when installing it along the ceiling. This orientation creates a visually appealing appearance and helps to catch and diffuse light, enhancing the overall aesthetic of the room. DOU glue or nail crown molding. Both methods can be used to secure crown molding, depending on personal preference and the specific requirements of the project. Gluing crown molding is a popular choice for lightweight molding or for installations where nails may be undesirable, such as on delicate surfaces. Nailing crown molding provides a more secure attachment and is typically preferred for larger or heavier molding profiles. Conclusion. Congratulations, you've successfully completed your DIY cove molding installation. We hope this guide has been helpful in guiding you through the process. For more home improvement tips and guides, be sure to check out our blog, Happy Renovating Resource. For further inspiration and ideas, explore this guide to choosing the right cove molding profiles for your home.